Hi, I'm Devangni from Team Demoistz, where we try to make it as dry as Sahara. Nowadays, it's getting pretty hot in Singapore, and I'm really confused of what to do. I own a fan, but it does an okay job of cooling, so I'm thinking of buying a AC, but I'm really concerned about the costs involved. And we asked a number of people, and 80% of them said that they wanted a cheaper AC or a better fan. We also talked with some real estate companies and the Ministry of Health, and they too are interested in sustainable and economical cooling options. Thus, there's a need for comfortable cooling at a cheaper cost. Our technology, Demoistz, is a fan that absorbs 4 grams of moisture per 1 gram of material. Demoistz can cool down a room by reducing its humidity. Suppose it's a sunny Singapore afternoon and it's 30 degrees Celsius outside. Inside a room, there will be humidity of 80% and it'd feel like as if it's 36 degrees Celsius inside. If we used our product, then it reduced the humidity down to a comfortable 60% in 15 minutes and it'll feel as if it's 33 degrees Celsius instead. An AC has a very high dehumidification ability, but requires very high power. On the other hand, a fan has low dehumidification ability and requires less power. Our product, Demoistz, hits a sweet spot and it requires very less power but provides high dehumidification. In the electronic appliances market, we see certain trends going on. We find that consumers are more conscious of the environment nowadays and they prefer efficiency over price. And we also see an interest in aesthetically pleasing devices, and we see an increase in sales of air purifiers. And we wanted to understand what consumers want from a cooling device, so we asked them. And we found that they wanted a device that's easy to clean, occupy less space, it's less noisy, and it has no breathing issues. Based on these consumer needs and market trends, we've designed a fan that's modular. So if you screw off the head of the fan, then it'll expose the components. You have an inlet fan, there's a demoist filter, then an air purifier filter, and our outlet fan. So if you remove the outlet fan, it'll expose the purifier filter and the demoist filter. You can clean the purifier filter and replace the demoist filter every 6 months. Currently, the residential cooling market is valued at $153 billion and is expected to grow at a 5% compound annual growth rate due to the rising economic conditions and increasing pollution levels. Currently, most of the cooling market demand is focused in Asia, where China and Japan are the leading consumers. There are a lot of big players in the cooling market, and it involves international brands like Mitsubishi, Daikin, LG, and local brands like Xiaomi, Haier, Media, and Gree. Our direct competitor is Xiaomi's DD16C, which is an existing dehumidifier. It's very easy for Xiaomi to combine this dehumidifier with a fan and compete with us. They use this silica gel and it requires very high power of 200 watts. Our competitive advantage lies in our patented gel, which is 16 times more absorbent than silica gel and therefore it requires less power. Even though we have a competitive edge, this market has a lot of players, so it's a bit difficult to enter. That's why we've decided to partner with real estate companies. Currently, we've signed an MOU with China's biggest real estate company, Zhenma, and this we believe will help to improve our brand recognition. Once we've become a household name in Asia, it would be easier to sell to consumers, and then we plan to expand to North America and Europe. By 2024, we plan to achieve a revenue of 18 million Singapore dollars. Last week, we interviewed 4 consumers to understand their needs, and we also talked with an account manager at Suning e-commerce platform. We believe that an e-commerce platform would be a key partner for selling our product online. Thank you.